What's up, guys? This is HH Trader back with another video, another live trading video. Alright, just making sure my sound is good and we're good to go. Alright, so let's go ahead and get it. Today we have two main stocks that are staying on the watch. ALF, which has made its way back above VWAP. It will need to give a pullback above VWAP. And AMS. AMS is also above VWAP, but look at this drop. It has a lot of work to do. Maybe it'll do a gap fill, but I'm just not too sure. It had a big move yesterday. Also, RHE was up huge yesterday. I know that it came back down. I think it did like a dead cat bounce in the morning, and then it continued on down. It was just massive movement on RHE yesterday from the $9 level all the way up to $28. Just a monster move. But anyway, let's focus on today. ALF will need to give us that pullback. We have about 7 minutes to the bell. ALF, the float was NA. I couldn't find the float anywhere. Apparently it's only been open for just a little while, because when I tried to zoom back on my daily chart, it only gave me these two candles, so it hasn't been open for long. Let's see. And AMS, of course, this float is 3 million, but it's just not looking too hot. So ALF will be my top stock to watch on the day, and we'll see what it can do on the open. It is above VWAP though. I'm thinking sometimes when I see them like this, they're right on VWAP. Sometimes I'm thinking, man, I want to enter it right at open because I know it's probably going to shoot up. But the only problem is with that is that first minute candle can snap back so hard. And that's my only fear of jumping in there on the open. That snapback. All right. So we have a little bit of a top there at the 540s. So 540s. We'll see what it wants to do if it gives another pullback. Looks like it's finding a lot of resistance in here. 1, 2. It's tested 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's see if it'll break on this one. Break that 40. Getting up there. Looking like it wants to break, but if it does break, it's definitely going to need to pull back on the open, because I'm not willing to lose money on this one. But it can get very volatile. It's definitely low float. Got plenty of volume behind it, so I may not be too scared on this one. But still, the loss could be amazing. All right. Okay. Alright, so that is counterclockwise. Let me pull that up. So, stream. That should be on. We're about to go to party town, y'all. Okay. Three minutes left to the bell. Getting ready. OBA's not on. Okay, that makes sense. Alright, AFL dropping there a little bit. Do not like that movement on the open, kind of taking the wind out of it. AMS staying up, but still got a lot of work to do over the top. I don't know how confident I am in that one. Does have this bottom above VWAP of the 454, so it may be a little bit of support right there. And then the next level of support is down here under VWAP, so we will have to see about that. If it can hold up that 455 on the open. ALF just not looking too good. We'll just have to wait and see. Got to get back above VWAP. 1 minute left. Let this first couple of minutes play out, because I really don't trust this AMS. It is volatile and it's low float, but it has low volume, and it can be a very tricky stock. Here we go, here we go. Alright, couple of seconds left. We're about to get it. AMS is overextending, so definitely looking for a drop there. The market is open. Will we get below VWAP on ALF? Looking for the 550 break up there. Let's go ahead and run our little test. Okay, not accepting stop orders on ALF. AMS, huge rip up. Looking for that pullback right there on the first minute. BRN, don't know. That one's just getting started. It'll have to get some volume. But AMS is the one right now. We'll see if it can hold up either one of these levels. AMS going down there, getting under VWAP. BRN, why is it up? ORGS, do these have news? Why are they up? ORGS, FDA approves, IDE. Okay, still not getting the volume that we need though. BRN, very low float mover. We'll see if it can hold up VWAP. ALF popping back up there. 550 level is what I'm looking for. This one is not accepting stops, so we just have to enter with our, okay, let it pull back some, give us that pullback above VWAP. That's what we're looking for. Then above the 550 is where we want to attack. So this is the pullback. Top side of this is the 540. How much was that breakout? That breakout was 550 to the 560. 10-cent breakout right there. Kind of lost me there. I'm getting some more low floats down here as well. Okay, news is what I need to see. Progress, blah blah blah. Okay. What is giving us the pullback above VWAP is the question. Because right now I haven't seen pretty much anything give the pullback above VWAP. Will it break VWAP here? Has a bottom there. Top is at the 13.19, going red on the day. Looking like it wants to. Okay, so back up here, 1320s. It has a huge topping tail up here. I'm not too interested in that. Okay, this one's getting up. News, nah, device trial, COVID patients. Okay, let's see if we can get a pullback above VWAP on that one. It's very low volume. Alright, so let's see these stops here. Okay, that one's allowing me to do stops. Let's go to the other one. No stops on IF, BD. ORG, will it allow stops? Looking like it's allowing stops. So we'll look for that pullback above VWAP. Leads halted. Very low volume on those, so I'll trade the one with volume first. So we got this one. If it can hold above VWAP, let's see, 1322. It's gonna need to consolidate above VWAP here. I'm not just gonna buy that. And we got ORGS on low volume. Okay. NMRD becoming a little sketchy here. It's getting that pullback. Can it do a full pullback above VWAP? Has not given us the pullback yet. Just pushing up. I'm not interested in that. Getting real heavy. Okay, OG. Let's see if it can hold VWAP. VWAP is at the 6. Get a nice pop there. Is allowing those trailing stops to be put in, so may go for this one. 50 shares. I like it. Over the 630, if it doesn't break down here, let's see if it breaks VWAP. VWAP is at the 884 or 584, $6 level. Did not break down right there. Looking for it to get over that 25. Would be, what is the float on this thing? Okay, that float is a little bit high. It may be a grinder. I may let that one get some more volume there. This one's trying to consolidate above VWAP. So we're going to let it do its thing. Leads is still halted. It's got to come out of that halt. Actually, it is a very low float. So let's look at the time that it's going to come out of this halt. Time, halt times. Okay, so we're looking, where is it? Leads. Leads should be opening up 932. It should be opening up at the 937.33. So 10 seconds. Let's see what it can do. Okay. There's the open. When you want to see the drop back. Drop back right there over the 75 is what we're looking for. Got in right there, looking for the push up. I just follow it from here. If it wants to stop me out, cool. For over the 75 here. On to the next one. It may stop me out there. I like legs getting heavy there. See if it can get any help over the top. Not getting bought up a lot. Looking for over that 75. Just hold over the 75 and blast out of there. Would be nice. Looking at those buyers come in there trying to push it up. Not going. Looking for the break. Can we get it? May come and stop me out here. Throwing that wick down there to the VWAP. I'm just gonna hold it right there and let it show me what it's got on the day. ORGS failed VWAP. This one, wow, big spikes there. Still looking at this one to hold up that VWAP if possible. And give us one move up through the 75 is what we're looking for. Getting real heavy here. 70s, can we get the 70s back up there? 65 may stop me here. Under VWAP. It's got to get back up. It's going down. It's going down, buddy. Got to get back above VWAP. VWAP is at the 658. I don't know if it can do it. Yeah, not looking too good right there. Yep, out right there. Take my little loss. Walk with it. Okay, over here we had the 1401 that blasted out of there. 1450. Let's see if we can get a pullback here. This one snapped VWAP. We want to see it hold above VWAP if possible. 60s. Looks like it wants to continue up. Alright, I don't like that. Looking for the red here for a drop back. See if it'll test this bottom of the 1430s. Took a little bit there just to hang on to. Taking all right there, cutting my loss, cutting my loss down. All right. Leads, SSY not looking good. Okay, getting that bounce back up there. I still am not too into this one just yet. Looks like it wants to give us some more movement downward. Okay, this one's looking okay. Gonna let it give us a little bit more volume there. MRD. Continuing to look like it wants to fake out here. Yeah, I'm not too interested in that fake. See if it can get back below the 20s. Test below the 20s there. Yeah. Nice little pullback. Alright, let's SSY looking like it wants to play. Lex. Got to get that pullback, get some more volume behind it. Okay, we are getting down here. Want to see maybe a little bit of a push up. We'll see how this candle closes, this 5-minute candle. Can it break this 1450 is the question. Yeah. Back above this one, 1536. 1536 is what we're watching for. Giving that nice dead cat bounce. Lex. What's some news over here on Lex? No real news, just kind of going up. All right, 1530s. This one can be a very unpredictable stock. The high there was the 25. I don't want to get faked out here with a very small little, yeah. Now the new high is the 35. I want to see the 36. We can see the 36. I'll be willing. 36 here. Not looking like it wants to do that. NMRD going down there. Let's see if we can get a bounce over the 15. Actually broke the bottom right there. Okay, it may give us a bounce off of VWAP, but we got to wait for this candle to close. Lex still pumping up. Big pump up. We have to wait for a pullback on Lex. I don't know what's wrong with it. IFBD has not given a pullback above VWAP just yet. Okay, wait a minute. Lex is halted. We'll wait for it to come out of the halt to see what kind of action it wants to give. Very low volume though. This 5 minutes is going to have to close up and show us that it still has strength above the VWAP. Finally giving us a pullback on IFBD. Not. That was a fake. Okay, how far did it go? It went from the 85 up to the 96, 10 cents. All right. SSY trying to hold up. Waiting for the pullback on IFBD. All right, this one 75, 481. Looking like it wants to break VWAP there. Getting bought up off that level 1452. Maybe a spot 1455. I'll be watching if it can stay above VWAP here. Cracking VWAP. It's gonna have to get back above VWAP. Okay, this one has not pulled back just yet. That one may be a fader for the rest of the day, now that I look at it. Alright, IFBD finally giving the pullback above VWAP. Big topping tail. I don't like any of that action. Lex, let me see what time it's supposed to open up. 46.34, so it'll be opening up on the 51.34. 51.34 is what we'll be watching for. Alright, so we had a couple of big movers, but nothing is giving me my setup. Hopefully Lex comes out of this halt with a pretty good setup at the 51.34, because everything else has been just breaking me, man, breaking me. This one snapped down under VWAP. That's the only reason I didn't take that top buy right there. But yeah, IFBD also down. We'll just have to wait for Lex. We have about a minute left for Lex to pop back open. We want to see a movement down first though. The news on Lex looks like it got a Form 4 last month, and that's pretty much it. So do I expect it to push up a lot? No. So just have to see. Also, let's see Lex. All right. So we are ready to go. Lex is the best looking one right now. Everything else is looking like it's heading under VWAP. Let's get ready to rumble. Okay, coming up to 51. I'm going to be waiting for 51.34 should be the open. If it opens much higher and then gives a pullback, that would be amazing. Let's see how high it opens up. Looking like the prices are still pretty much right there. Don't really see the prices. Let's see, here we go. 34 coming up, 51.34. How much higher will it open? Okay, not too much higher. Let's see a pullback here. Okay. 750. Can it hold the 750s is what I'm looking for. 750, 727, under the 25. I want to see it back up here at the 55. Okay, not getting that move. 55. Can we get it? Not looking too appetizing right there. Okay, so this is the pullback. We're looking for the dead cat bounce, or if it can go 55 right now, let's get it. 55, 37s, 45. Come on, get up there, get that 55. Looking kind of weak, man. 55. Looking for it to break that 50. Having some problems up there. Looking for the 55 here. Not looking too good right there. Breaking back down under the 25, so it'll just need to consolidate. All right, so we got a lot of stuff just pop back up here. Let's see. IFBD still under VWAP. LEDs still under VWAP. LEX, I don't know what it wants to do. WISA is very low volume. It'll have to get on up to get back on the scanner. Okay, that one's fading. So LEX is still top priority over the 750. 755 is what I'm looking for. Giving them a nice bounce. I'm looking for that first 1 minute candle. 755 is where I want to be entering. Will it break the 7 here? Looking like it's breaking the 7 right there. 755. Let's get it. Okay, getting on up there. Can we get that 755? Okay. 751 here. Oh, wow. It's a big break back down. $755. 40s. Oh, wow, it's looking weak. Looking for that 55 break. Now this pullback is well above VWAP, so I do like it. $55, give us that 55 break, please. Holding up the 25 right there. Yeah, that doesn't look good. Going back down there and challenging the VWAP again. I don't like that setup anymore. Let's go to LEDs. Looking for that pullback on LEDs. It's very extended right now. Needs to pull back above VWAP. Watching both of these hard, man. I don't know which one is going to be the one. Both of them are super low float. I would like for one of them to fail VWAP. That would help. 55 break. Can we get it? Continuing down there. Looking for that 55 break. Come on, I failed VWAP here. Let me make sure I'm not missing anything over here on LEDs. Did give a pullback, very extended. Got to consolidate a little bit. Still over here watching. 755. 30s. Buying pressure. Not looking like it's coming in. There's a little bit. 755. Can we get it? Go ahead and take right there. There we go. Nice. Can we get break even? Can we get up to break even, or will you snap down on us? Alright, that's a snap down. It's going to get me out here. Looking like it wants to get me out. Okay, whatever. Maybe it'll get bought up here. I don't know. Back through the 50 is what we want to see, but this is a big red bar here. It's got to transition to green quickly. Alright, I'm out there. Man. Alright, leads. Giving a pullback here. So that one definitely bombed me out. On Lex. Big pullback. 708. 725 is where I'm looking. That's a little dead cat bounce in there. Alright, following it up. Don't want to add to it. Already in perfect position. Got my stop right under the this candle. Moving on up right there. How much can we get off of this? Can we get through the 60s? Okay. Alright, looking like I'm going to need to be ready to sell at any moment here. Can we continue up? It's got plenty of volume behind it. Snapping down there. Looking for it to stay above. Yeah, it's going to stop me out. Yep, stop me out right there. I'm okay with that. Man. 900 bucks left. So we got stopped out on 2 of them. This one's finally under VWAP, so we can focus on leads. Okay, I am very interested still in leads. If it can get back over, let's see, the 40s and hold up there. Took right there. Looking for a little bit of continuation, really. Add it right there. 50 shares in. Looking to be selling a little bit soon. Seeing if it can stay up here. Okay, nice. Can we get that pop out here? Selling some there. Can we get the pop? Is the question. Can we get that pop out? What's the top of this? High is a 63. Come on, baby. Give me that pop out. Taking some. Alright, taking a little bit more there. Just not seeing the pop that I wanted to see there. Come on, baby. Get that pop. Add it there. Looking for the pop. Come on. Give us the pop. Alright. Looking a little heavy. It's got to get going here. If it can't get going, it's over. Looking for it to get through the 60s. Come on, baby. Oh, it's going to stop me. Are you going to stop me? You're going to get bought up. Okay, there's a little pop. Nice. Can we get the pop through the highs there? Come on. Bought up. Taking a little bit long. Looking for the pop. It's just not giving it to me. Can we see green again? 50s. 55s. Come on. There's a nice pop. Can we get the pop out? That was so small. I'm going to take off a little bit there. Just not trusting it. Exit all. Just not trusting that little, that what it just did. boy, come on, baby. So a lot of weakness there. Had to take it. Okay, can we get back above the 55s here? I don't even know how much I can get here. 50. Got 300 bucks left. $40 shares. Okay. Boy, this thing is looking heavy-handed. Yeah, looking like it wants to fail out here. Oh, I know I took some losses. I should have took profit, but I just want to follow my stops. Breaking down right there. Let's see, what am I down on today? 20 bucks. Okay. 20 bucks. I took some winning trades, but those losing trades really ripped it out of me. Lex getting back up there. Can we get the pull back above VWAP before it decides to go? I may have to enter here. Let's see, what's the 40, 750, 300 bucks. So I can get 40 shares of this. Nice, I like it. I'm going to go ahead and get in. Well, if I can. If I can. You know what? It's a little bit extended. Now, let me let it pull back. Let it pull back. It's got to the top there. Want to see it back over the 50s, 55 level. Can we get the 55, 55s? Got tapped, 58s. Can it hold the 50s, 55 level? Got in right there. Gonna follow it up. In 25 shares. Would love to see it continue up. Nice little mover. Can it break that 75 here? Continues to pull back. Nice, nice, nice. This may get me back to the green. You never know. The top here is the high of the 787. See if it can break that top. I'm sitting right at the bottom of this candle. Looking for this break. Looking a bit heavy there. Wow, come on now. Needs to get bought up here. If it breaks down, I'll just be out. 66. Can we get the 70s back on there? We need to see the bid go to 65 here. 62, 61, 64 right there. We just saw 64. Need to see the 65. Whoa. Okay. Big move down. Got me stopped out. So Lex is definitely a killer today. Leads got halted again. Okay. Let's play leads. Got a little bit of equity left. 8, 50. All right, leads. Let's see what time it's supposed to be opening up. Leads is supposed to be opening up at 10:11:23. So we'll wait for that. These stocks, man, I promise. Getting very, very choppy. Okay, that one's finally under VWAP. IFBD is under VWAP as well, so we can focus on leads for its open. Got about 3 minutes till it opens. BFRA popping up there. Okay, what's the float on this one? BFRA, let me go look that float up. $17.38 in the float. Yeah, about 17.38. WISA is coming up there, looking like a grinder. Alright, so LEDs has about 2 minutes until it opens. IFBD, LEX. We'll see, man. We will see. LEDs looked like it was falling out, so I just, just stopped looking at it. Got very volatile. Got up here, found a little region right here, the 760s. We want to make sure that it can hold above that 760s though for the support. BFRA going down, LEX going down, IFBD trying to get back up there. Don't like that topping. Leave that one alone. So LES is the main one. I can't believe I'm out. I'm almost down 30 bucks. I think. Pretty sure I am though. Let's see. Balances 26 bucks. Okay, I thought I was doing way worse than that, but okay. We'll see how this thing opens up. And buy the dips. Let's see. Looking for 11 to 23. So 11.23. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's go. 11.23. 10 seconds left. Open. Want to see the dip back down? Can we get some red on that action? Dip back. Oh, come on. Give us some red. Not seeing any dip entries here. Got to give us some red. Come on, profit takers. Okay, that was a very quick dip. Want to see it hold up? Add it right there. Add it right there. 10 shares in. Add it right there. 15 shares in. Looking for the break of the 25, and I'll add again. Can we get the break of the 25? Looking to add at the 25 if we can get up there. Matter of fact, a break of the 20 would be nice. 13s. Add it right there. Break of the 25. Okay. We'll see what it wants to do here. 30s. 41. Alright. Do you want to get me back to the green on the day? Where's my balance? 22.04 right now. Let's see if we can push that 50. Can we get back under the 20s? $20 just hit. See if we can push to the 9s. That would be amazing. $50s. Can we get the 51 there? Could not get the 51. Alright, let me go back to my positions. Come on, baby, get that break. Nice little push to the top. 50s, 51, 53. Very small break right there. We can't get past that 51 on this candle. I may go ahead and snap off some. It's just not looking good. Okay. Well, I said it wasn't looking good, but shorts are trying to take control. Seeing if we can push into the 60s. Nice. $60s. Can we get a little bit more? I'm gonna let it play. Right now my risking a little bit, so let's see if we can get up to the 75s here. Can we break the 70s? See the 64 on the bid. We want to see it stay within the 60s, dropping. We want to see it get back into the 70s here. Do like this one. I'm gonna let it play out. See if we can get a little bit more going up to the upside. Needs to break over these 57, 60 level again. $50s. Okay, sellers trying to come in there now. Sellers coming in heavy. All right, let me go and look around real quick. Everything else is looking like it's still in the graveyard. Oh boy, I'm down. Uh-oh. I'm down a lot. Gee whiz. Did it stop me out? Yeah, it stopped me out of some of my position. Wait a minute, why am I still holding? Am I tripping? Get out of that. Yeah, so it stopped me out of most of my position right there. It's okay. Balances are probably down 40 bucks, 34 bucks. Man. I knew it was kind of getting weak up there. I was going to let it play, but Not a good one to let play. This one's above VWAP as well. Okay, back up to leads. Looking like it's gonna go ahead and fail out. Don't really like it anymore. IFBD holding up there. Will it give a breakout? Failed VWAP, bounced off VWAP. Needs to break the 480s. I just don't like the way it's moving. Lex all the way down. WISA trying to hold up. I'm just not seeing anything that's looking good. 919. IFBD. Okay, let's just look at WISA. WISA is above VWAP, holding VWAP. Maybe a slow mover. May buy the dip in here. Just not seeing anything that's got any kind of continuation except for IFBD. And now it's breaking VWAP. Oh boy. Trading volatile stocks, man. It can get you. Volatile stocks. So 808, 814, 815, 816. Okay. I don't know why, but I feel like this one can definitely still move today. I like it. 824, man. Wow. So it's getting up there. The high is the 835 right there. I do think this is the backside of the move. If a red candle can stay within this body, maybe it'll be a trade, but right now I don't know. 40s. Oh my gosh, you stupid stock. Oh, you stupid stock. Okay. Let me wipe my sweat off. Oh my god. So yeah, we're definitely gonna have to wait for the next candle to close here. Way too fast. Not holding up. It's got to hold up this level of the 49. Let's see if it breaks back below that 49 level. $53, $54, $50, $49, $48. It broke that level, so yeah, just have to wait. Bad thing is, it's the only thing that's actually moving. I'm gonna take through the top small share size because I cannot play with this. It's gotta hold within this candle, gotta hold over this 828 level. I'm looking for it to get back above the 865. 865. Holy Jesus. Entered in just a little bit right there. I'm just gonna build a position here. See if it can go up any higher. I'm not risking a lot anyway, even if it does dip down. Taking and adding. Man, I got $9 left, man. I feel like I'm broke. Let's see where it dips down to. See how far you dip down. Oh, below this 5-minute candle, I'm gonna have to get out. Add it right there. And I'm just gonna hold. That's it for today. That's all my money, so I'm just gonna hold it. Let's see, where's VWAP? VWAP is at the 780. So I just put it on 5 shares. I can risk $1. I put a trailing stop of $1 there. $1 measly dollar on 5 shares. And I will sell on that motion. I let it follow it by $1. Well, it looks like it's moving up too much. Golly. I say that like I'm not happy. Oh well. I'm gonna let it play out throughout the day. This one could be a grinder, so that's why I'm giving it $1 to play. See how it's moving up? It's just following it. It's at the $8 right now. As long as it holds above that $8 level, we'll be golden. Okay, what else I got? BRN looking like trash. So yeah, that's pretty much the only play that I can do today. As long as it holds that $8 level, we'll be just sitting and watching. Will it hit the 9s? Where's the daily? Where's the daily resistance? I didn't even check. Daily resistance up there at the 955s. Up there at the 955s. Right now my entry was at the 863. $9 now. So it hit what was that high? 912. So this thing should be at the 812. Just gonna hold it. It's only 5 shares, so if it goes down $1, it won't be $1 now. It'll probably be like 75 cents. WISA looking like it's getting a little heartbeat there. Getting a little heartbeat. Alright, anyway though. Lids has a lot of work to do to overcome this whole candle. So I'm expecting it to continue higher without breaking the bottom of this candle. Hopefully it finds a consolidation point up here. $85s. Can we get over that $9 level? 90s, 95, 93s. Little dead cat bounce there. Well, all I can do is just watch this $32 move around. $32.65. It's just so small on small share size. 9, can we break the 912s? It's just following it up. 912s looking like they're about to get challenged. Double top there. Just kind of finding a little resistance point. Volume looking like it's dying out. I don't think it can break that 912, but I've been wrong before. Tens, 26, lordy. So we're at the 826 now. We're almost to break even on this dollar follow-up. 28s, can we get the 30s? 30s looking like a long way away. 28s, 29, 37, nice. Almost to break even, wow. I'm so surprised. How many cents am I up on this one? 70 cents up, okay. That's nice. It's like, do I want to take here? Nah. So now it's pretty much a green trade. Not yet. It's almost there. 61. You'll need to consolidate up here. So now it's a green trade no matter what. We'll let it consolidate. It has a whole dollar to play. Up $1.04 there. Man, ain't this trash? Shouldn't I have just put like all the money I spent into this right here? Up $1.10. I let it consolidate here. Still pushing. 90s. Oh my gosh, bro. Well, it's a green trade no matter what. Let's see. Did it go into a halt? Yep. Alright, so I will just continue to hold that. Down $27 now. It's eating away. Oh, no, it didn't halt. So $9. As long as it can hold the 9, we'll still be in. With a break of that 9, it's over. And like I said, my max loss is 50 bucks. So I'm okay with where it is now. We'll see if it can consolidate. Let's just look around and see if anything else is acting crazy. WISA did continue. WISA did continue up a little bit, but having no news just probably killed it. BRN finally coming to a stopping place. IFBD, LEDs, man. LEDs is killing the game up here. Wonder will it hit $10? Let it consolidate. Got a lot of work to do to erase this whole green candle all the way back to the 862. So I think it still has potential to go higher. Maybe to the $10 level. I don't know. Let's go touch it. Are we past the 9 already? We're right below the 9. '60s, got to get back over the 70s. 80s right there. Got to hold that 75 level. We see the 75 on the bid, 82 on the bid. We need to see it hold the 80s here. 80s getting up there, 82 on the bid, 80, 81, 79, selling off a little bit, 80s, getting back to the 80s, 83, pushing up just a bit, 90s, 96, might get a break of the 10 here. That would be amazing. So I'm sitting right at the 9 right now. There we are, 1042. Nice little push up. $1.51. Let's look at the balances over here. Down 25 bucks. This is another push out. Can we push higher? Or will it get me out here, come all the way back past the 950s? Right now, I'm right at the bottom of this, 945. Another push up there. Just following it up. Just riding the momentum. Now I am down 24 bucks on the day. Okay, 69, 1069. Is it going into a halt there? 23 bucks that I'm down on the day. Have we halted? I only have 5 shares, so I really don't care if it does halt. Okay, that was a long hold up there, trying to get through that level. So it may give us a big move down here and stop me out across this level, but it's all good. It's a green trade no matter what. Still, can we hold the 70s? Getting up 70s, 80s. Can we get to the 10? We are up $2.06. I hate being in this with this share size. I hate being in this with it. Oh my gosh. This sickens me. So we're 50 cents away from getting stopped out. If it wants to come down and do it. Let's see if it can give us a little bit more ride up. 80s, 90s. So we're right at the 10 right now. See if it can consolidate above the 10 level. Up $2.17. Oh my gosh, man. This is so bad. I wish I had more shares in this one. I got in on the breakdown here, right here. 863 I got in. Oh my gosh, man. Will it go to the $11? Looking a little heavy up here though. Gonna have to hold up that 10. I don't know. Okay, looking like we want to go test the $11. Double top right there, not looking too good. Alright, so I'm thinking about pulling some off here. So I'm gonna go ahead and wow. Alright, I'm definitely taking up here. If I can, come on now. Work with me, baby. Taking off up here. What is it doing? Oh, stops don't work on this one. Okay, cancel last. Stops do not work on this one, but I should still be able to sell. What is it talking about? What? Okay, so I sold some there. Still pushing up. Can we get the 50s? Sold a little there. I'm just, right now, I really don't care. I want to just take profit because it's a little bit extended. So I'm 2 shares in now. I will put my trailing stop back. Okay, so it did halt right there. And under the 10, I'll go ahead and get out. I did take a bit of profit because I'm under 20 bucks, so I did not want to let that be wasted. That was some pretty good gain. Let's look at my realized gains and losses. This, I wish I had this share size up here. Oh my gosh, man. I hate this. I hate this so much. But it's okay. Every single day we learn. Every single day is a new opportunity. So, whatever. Up 108%. I didn't even know that. Alright, so if it breaks down the $11, I'm pretty much going to be looking to get out because I just can't. I don't feel like risking too much. So I'll get those last 2 out on the break of the 11. And I'll put that stop order in there. Do I want to do that though? That's 50 cents. Matter of fact, I'll put it under this one. So 1071 is the bottom of this. 1070. But that's a pretty good loss off those cents though. What time is this thing supposed to be opening up? Lead's gonna be opening up at the 41.18. So we got a little bit of time. Man, I can't believe I didn't. The thing is, I don't think this thing can go any higher. I think it's gonna open up and give a huge drop. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it at the 11. Just be wise and put it at the 11. Matter of fact, the 10.99. Give it a little bit of playroom. If it opens up way higher, that would be amazing. Matter of fact, let's just do this. 48 cents. So we'll follow it by, it's up 11.48, so 49.50 cents. Trailing stop of 50 cents. And that's what I will use there. Once it opens up, trailing stop of 50 cents. Hopefully it doesn't open up way lower. Let me see if this thing has any shelf registrations. I did not check any of that today. Leads. Nope, no shelf registration, so we're good there. I just follow it by 50 cents. Anyway, make sure you hit the like button while you're watching. I'm trying to, man, every day I'm learning a little bit more about the market. Missed a big move yesterday, went down big red today, or I wouldn't say big red. I mean, my max loss is 50 bucks, but still, I was down 36 bucks. So, you know, it's been plowing up. It has been getting me out of the red. Let's continue. So the 41, what was that halt time? 41.18 is what we're looking for it to open back up. I will follow by 50 cents. If it goes down 50 cents, I'll just get out. Or if it opens super low, that'll be bad too. 1040s. Let's go, 41.18. About 8 seconds, 10 seconds to go. Now 8 seconds. Let's watch this thing open. If it opens up super low, hey, I'll just get out right where it is, wherever it opens. There it is. Will it continue to push, following it by 40 cents? Can it pop? Can it give us that pop? It can not. Okay, following it. Needs to get back above this level right here. The 11.48. If it can't, I'll just be out. Getting up there, just following it. 48. Can we see the break of the 48? Come on, baby. Got out right there. All right, that's cool. So yeah, that was the last trade of the day. Down around 20 bucks, but 20 bucks is better than 36. So okay, I'll take that. And then in here, these are my realized gains and losses. Biggest take was 285, 277, 268. I used all of my equity this morning. I actually traded LEDS, got stopped out for 10 cents. Traded it again, got stopped out. Traded it down here, got stopped out a bunch of times, and then it wants to go. So it's whatever. LEDS is still looking like it wants to go, but if it breaks this bottom of the 1068, I would say it's over. Pushing on up there. Maybe I should have followed it by more, but it's too late now. It's hindsight trading. So leads did stop me out. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Trading small cap stocks, man. Oh, small cap stocks are the only thing that can make me laugh and cry at the same time. Look at this BS. Oh, oh man. Oh well. I cut my loss. It did not give me the move that I was looking for, and it looks like it's going to continue going up. Oh my gosh. This is definitely reasons to cry. This thing went, I got stopped out right down here. This thing came back up all the way from the 10s up to the 1250, and it's going to keep going. Looking for the break of the 50. Okay, it's pulling back a little bit. 47. Need to stay in the 40s. Looking for the 50 break right here. Yep. Oh my gosh. All right. That's the name of the game, man. That is the name of the game right there. I can't believe this thing. Did it go into another halt? No. Looks like it's going to give a big pull, but yeah. So even if my stop was following it, I definitely would have got stopped out on that. That was a pullback from the 76 all the way to the set, so $1 pullback. I definitely would have got stopped out there. Wow. Getting very, very volatile to the downside. I guess I could sit here to 10 a.m. and just watch, because if it can continue going up, I don't know, man. I just don't know. But it's whatever. I'm sitting at $3,112 right now. Down $21 on the day. Was down 36, 37 bucks. Man, I can't believe that. I can't believe I wasted all of my capital on this same stock. The same stock. Wasted all of my capital right in here. Or actually, wait a minute. Wasted all of my capital right in here too. So right here and in here. Yep, this may be the backside of the move. It's coming up to 10 o'clock. It didn't have news anyway, so it was one of those that was going to break down eventually. TAIT just popped up. Slow mover, doesn't have any news. Tatron Components climbs 9% after reinstating a 4 cent per share quarterly dividend. So this is a dividend stock. I usually don't trade dividend stocks for volatility though. BFRA getting back above VWAP, not moving too much. WISA was another one that was moving up, but now look at it dying. EFOI going down as well. BRN was a mover from today, going down. So everything is getting buried now. IFBD gave a big pullback. Very small little breakout here from the 86 up to the 92. So 6 cents. That's not worth it for me unless I was taking 100 shares. It'll be $6. Still not worth it. All right. See if it'll fall a little bit more. Back up to leads. Leads looks like it's going to go on down and break this bottom here. 1061. I think if it breaks that 1061, it's going to be a big move for the shorts. So let me put that support line in there. Right through there. 1088, 1090s. Anyway, if you all traded something today, let me know in the chat what you traded. And yeah, what were you looking at? Were you only looking at leads, or Did you trade higher float stocks? I don't even know if there was higher float stocks moving. This scanner is specifically set for low float stocks now, so I don't even see high float stocks that much anymore. Okay, so I thought it was going to break down. This may be a little bit of a dead cat bounce. Top side right here is 1143. Looks like it became resistance. And we're looking for a big break for the shorts here on the 1065. Big break. Okay, 10-cent break, not that much, and then a pullback. So I may have to try it again. All that did was trick the shorts and got them losing money, but it is on their side. It's under the 9 and it's headed back down to the 5-minute 9 EMA. But that was the biggest mover on the day, man. We got about 10 minutes left on the stream, and then I'm gonna go and make this 20 bucks back with my real job. Okay. Falling back under VWAP. Everything is either under VWAP or headed that way. IFBD still grinding up. So it did make a bigger move. Let's see, from the 96 up to the 520s. So that's like a 20-cent move. 95 up to that. So 10 cents would be 505. 10 more cents would be the 15. So about a 20-cent move, 15-cent move. Just not looking like something you want to be in unless you like grinders, because it is above VWAP and you can actually be buying the dip. It's above the 9 right now, so I guess a break over the 501 could go higher. We'll see. If it can break that 501, let me go check over here real quick. Leads, go. Tell me this isn't going back up. Tell me this stock is not going back up. Look at the buying pressure coming in here. This candle needs to go red. Oh my gosh. It's just pushing green. Struggling on that 50 though. Okay, so that's a fake right there. It's about to come down. Come on down. Bless the shorts. You know you want to. The bottom here is the 1144, which is going to come down and break momentarily. Looking at this candle is probably going to go red. Looking for this candle to go red here. 75. Oh my gosh, it's trying to push. This candle's going red. Oh my gosh. Well, I cannot get a read on this stock. I feel like, wow, pushed all the way up there. So there's the red right there. Will it break the 1144? That's what we were waiting on anyway. If you were a long, you would have been absolutely right to hold that. If you were a short, you would have got blasted out of there. Unless your stop was like up here on the 1276. But looking at the way that it's moving, it may actually get back up there. If it consolidates here and holds up this level right here of the 5-minute, needs to hold up the 1182, which it continues to find problems with. We have about 8 minutes left on the stream, and I will be shutting it down. Yep, looks like it's gonna go higher. I hate this stock. If it can hold the 1150s, it's definitely going higher. It'll pop over that 1205. 1150 hold. Let me get this down so y'all can see the time and the tape and everything. Holding that 1150 strong. If we see the 1150 come right here, it's probably going to break it. If it gets it to it on the bid. But it's looking like it's holding. Needs to stay above the 70s. 72, 70s, back on the bid, 72s. Yeah, this one looks like it can go higher. 75s. Will the 76 get shot up there? It needs to break that previous candle for it to start descending. The low of the 51. There it is. There's the break. Now, it faked one time down here, so this could be another fake as well on this little level. Okay, nope, this is an actual break. And on the 5 minute, we see a large topping tail, so we expect it to break this 1099 any moment now. Now it has resistance at the 1280, at the 1220, and I believe it's going to continue going down now. It's about 10 o'clock. We have 6 minutes left on the stream. Is this a dead cat bounce or does it want to go? This is a very, very uncooperative stock right here for the shorts and the longs. Getting a push there, pushing out. 1220, it could not break it. Retry. Retry. Look at that. This stock is insane. This is some extreme manipulation. So if you're in this, you got to be very, very quick. Like this ticker. Let's see if it gets back up there. Getting back up there to the 1253s. Will it push the highs of the 1277? Wow, wow, wow. This, oh my gosh. And this is one thing about working with a small account. I mean, I'm out of equity. Even if I wanted to trade, I'm out. It's like walking around with an unloaded gun. You can't do anything. Alright. We'll let this stream roll 4 more minutes and then I'm out. I was expecting this thing to fail, but looking like a monster. Getting bought all the way up again. How much was that? 1305 up to the 1340s. That's a 40-cent move off the top right there. 40-cent move. Okay. Insane movement. Three minutes left. Looking for the breakdown of this 1268. It's just so hard to read this. I mean, it could break down and just shoot straight back up. Little tap on the 1270. It's got to break through. Wow, wow, wow. Like I said, could break. It's been doing fakes like that all day. Did the fake here, fake here, fake here. That's pretty much what it's been doing. Then over this one, back over the 13, where people would probably be jumping in there. 13 right there. Have your stop out at the bottom at the 1248. And if you get stopped out, oh well, it's 40 cents. The top side of this is the 23, so I guess that was a dead cat bounce a little bit, and your actual entry would be the 22 right there if it can get back up there. But it doesn't look like so. So this fake may actually turn into a real downwards movement. All right, 59. We have made it to 10 o'clock. Looks like it wants to go ahead and I don't know what it wants to do here. But whatever it's going to do, I'm done watching it. I need to actually go and make some money. And yeah. So thank you guys so much for tuning in. If you're on Twitch, make sure you hit the follow button. If you're on YouTube, make sure you hit the like and subscribe. Again, we will be back tomorrow morning. Man, these stocks have been crazy, man. I mean, just absolutely insane. But yeah, I think I'm just gonna stick with low floats. They do pay out, but this one was just had my number today. Especially early in the morning down here when I got in. It just would not cooperate. And now every time it's like it wants to go higher. 13, will it break the 13s? Please don't break the 13s. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and shut it down. I'm done watching this. I'm tired of... Alright. Y'all have a good one. And as always, if you're going to continue trading, be careful. I literally just looked away to change my screen or whatever, and now look at it. Giving some nice moves downwards. So yeah, I'm done. And you guys have a good day. Stay safe. And as always, I will see you in the next one. Peace.